Jared Barker with Live Oak Home and Commercial, and today we're going to show you how to DIY fence clean your own project. For you DIYers, here's how to wash a fence before you stain the fence. The product we use is from Standstill Experts, and this is wood cleaner. We're going to mix between 4 to 8 ounces of this wood cleaner per gallon. So what we're doing today, we're working out of a larger setup than what you're probably going to be doing with a pump up sprayer like this at home. But we got the solution in the bottom. We're going to fill this tank up, and then we're going to apply it with this hose here with the 12-volt system. I'm just going to turn this water on. So this fence is not that dirty, so we're going to be closer to that 4 ounces per gallon or half a cup per gallon. And we're going to also come back and pre-wet this fence with just water and then apply that wood cleaner to it and let it dwell. So again, I'm filling this 25-gallon tank up, and we have a drop stick with a 12-volt pump. And that's going to feed the wood cleaner through this hose. But most likely, if you're at home doing this yourself, you're going to batch mix into a pump-up sprayer a gallon or 2 gallons at a time. We're just pre-wetting the fence now. And when you pressure wash, you're going to want to use the wide tip. So most likely the yellow tip option on your pressure washing machine. And when you have the wood cleaner on, it should just, all this top layer dirt should just kind of melt off with that wide tip in long, single strokes. Long, even strokes when you're pressure washing. So we've pre-wet the fence. Now we're applying the wood cleaner. Just a nice even coat. It's transitioning, so that was water. Now there's a slight yellow tint as well to the water, to the cleaner, you can kind of tell. So you'll just do this with your pump up sprayer, sections at a time. I'm gonna go ahead and do the whole fence and then get pressure washing. I haven't pressure washed this side yet. You can see we've done this back panel and the panel on the right side. So you're either gonna get a fresh pump up sprayer or really rinse out the original one with all the wood cleaner. That way you don't cross-contaminate chemicals mixed that aren't supposed to be mixed. So what we do is we flush out our line with water, fresh water, and we run the wood cleaner back into its tank. So what we do is we run, so we bleed the line with some fresh water, and then we add the drop stick into the wood brightener to keep everything separated. And this is the wood brightener. It's the same mix. It's been ripped up a little bit, but 4 to 6 ounces per gallon. I usually hover around 6 to 8 ounces just to be safe. And this neutralizes the cleaning solution, also brings back the natural coloration in the wood. And that'll be the final step. We apply this and then rinse it, and then your fence is ready for staining. Okay. Here's the wood brightener. You can almost see it working immediately. So we'll go around and spray the entire fence and let it sit. Trying to let it sit as long as the wood cleaner sat on the wood. And this is potent, so you're gonna want your PPE. I'm gonna put it on right now and just finish up. I wanted to show you guys a video first. You can see the difference, right? It's immediate. So this is what the finished product should look like. This is after it's been stained. I'm sorry. This is after it's been cleaned, pressure washed, applied the wood brightener, and then a final rinse. Once the moisture level is below 13%, you can come back and stain.
Comment below, leave questions. Let me know if I left anything out.